Hello everyone. Let me create 3D sketch with the help of the AutoCAD. So first of all you have to active your ortho mode as well as dynamic input. Now you have to create a line segment from the origin with the help of 0, 0, 0. Hit the enter. Create the line 40 mm from the X, 50 positive Z direction, 50 in negative X direction, 40 in negative Z direction, 50 in positive Y direction, 50 in positive Z direction, 40 in negative Y direction, 50 in positive X direction, 50 positive Y direction, 40 negative X direction, 50 negative Z direction, 50 negative X direction, 40 positive Z direction, 50 negative Y direction, 50 negative Z direction, 40 positive Y direction, 50 negative X direction, and 50 negative Y direction. Now your 3D sketch is ready. So you have to active your 3D modeling from the workspace switching. Now you have to create profile first. With the help of rectangle command, create 7.5 by 7.5 rectangle as a sweep profile. Join your 3D sketch first, then you have to finish your sweep command. In sweep command, you have to select your profile first, then you have to select your part. Now your 3D model is ready. Thank you.